Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Lenovo 100 wireless combo keyboard and mouse. So as you can see, this is the box that it comes in. It says compact, slimly designed keyboard, spill resistant keys with waterproof covering, ambidextrous mouse for any hand. And at the bottom it says 10 million clicks. So the mouse, 10 million clicks is the keyboard. Nano receiver, it has a nano receiver and a precise cursor control. Okay. Let's turn the box over at the back and see if there's any other information. Alright, so there's some specifications given. So the keyboard is a keyboard QWERTY key life, more than 10 million actuations per key. Okay, the mouse button life is more than 3 million actuations. Input voltage is DC 1.5 volts. Keyboard size is given, the mouse size is given, and the weight. So both of them combined, it says gross weight 0.75 kgs. Alright. And what else do we have? So it tells you some of the operating systems that this is compatible with: Microsoft Windows XP, Vista 7, 8 and 10. And let's just go ahead and unbox this and open it up. Just cut the seal. Open that, flip it around. Will open up just like that. So there you go. So as you can see, this is the keyboard. Okay, open the keyboard first. So it comes nicely wrapped in plastic. So that's the keyboard. It is a fairly slim keyboard, quite lightweight. It has function keys also at the top, and just keep this down. There's some documents, and the mouse comes over here. This is the mouse. All right, and they've given some batteries, and apart from your batteries, they have the nano receiver, which this is the little nano receiver. So just put that off like that. So there you have it. That's your keyboard, that's your mouse, that's your nano receiver, your two batteries, and of course there were some documents that came. So that's what you get in the box when you buy the Lenovo 100 wireless keyboard and mouse combo. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.